The Auberge Resort story begins about 35 years ago with the opening of the Auberge Spa in the Napa Valley. The California wine country is our soul, and that's what we're all about. I think this will be the most anticipated project in the area.
What we try to do here is bring those elements into Fort Lauderdale to have a truly international luxury development on the beach.
The architecture of this building is very unique, and it's trying to experience the magnificent water views and skyline that we have.
It's one of the most beautiful buildings we have ever done. It's a very privileged location because it's full of canals, boating is great, and that's the beauty of Fort Lauderdale. That's Fort Lauderdale prides itself on being the Venice of the Americas.
There is no other project in Fort Lauderdale that is right on the sand. From that point of view, this is very, very unique.
First of all, we'll have the Auberge Spa. Now, the Auberge Spas are generally put together in a way that really allow you to experience the whole scope of attending a spa and coming in, relaxing, getting your treatment, relaxing afterwards, and then of course there's a restaurant. The hallmark of an Auberge resort is the cuisine.
We're going to have two restaurants, one on the beach that will be a more elegant restaurant with beautiful water views, and one that will be also very elegant, but we think of it more as a trattoria.
The Auberge experience is going to be put into every aspect of the design of this property. If you become an owner, you're going to be able to partake in the Auberge Resort's lifestyle in a way that I think you'll truly enjoy.